So the bit there that was silent, that was a minute's silence for something, whatever you want. What you know, you're always being told to have a minute's silence for this, a minute's silence for that. I know it's all important, but you know you can't have them for everything. So just choose which one. What, you still can't hear me? No, now you're trolling, Paul Carew. So you're disqualified. If you've got a kebab in this bit, you're disqualified. I don't know. Anyway, this one, I actually swore, so it's a good job. It's a good job. A minute silence for DOA mods. That's a good one. Don't know. Yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to speak about the mods because they will no doubt be watching this video to see if I do. So I'm not going to give them the time of the day. I'm going to give them, not even going to give them one more second of your thoughts or mine. Anyway, the meat on this is grey. Look at the state of the ting there. Diabolical, disgusting. First entry. You should be absolutely ashamed of yourself. And what's the point in a fork? Either way. Plastic. I mean, that's even... What can you even pick up with that? Surely that would snap. Or do you just eat a little bit at a time? What's going on? Right, so this one... pretty good, but far too civilized. So you're disqualified. However... If you look close up, it actually looks pretty good. But just because it looks good, that's not a reason for anyone to ever win in this competition. So I can see you must be in England because you've got no tomatoes. We've also got no tomatoes. Do you hear how I said that, American people? That's how you actually say it. Tomato. Tomato, not tomato. Tomatoes. So yeah, I don't know if it's just his counterpoint from the UK, he must be. So you're well, I can't disqualify you for having no tomatoes because that's not really fair. That's the country letting you down. We'll disqualify you for that curly bit at the bottom because I don't know what it is. It looks a bit like an onion ring. Disqualify you for that. Also, that salad's a bit shabby. Moving on, Swedish kebab. Look how many tomatoes they've got in Sweden. Maybe that's who we should be hitting up. I don't like being political, but maybe we should be speaking to the Swedish people about the tomato situation. Hey, I'm not just a good DJ, you know. I know about business. Anyway, that's far too many fries. And why have you got a whole bowl of whatever that is at the bottom? Is that a whole bowl of cabbage? It's gotta be. You crazy Swedish guys. Anyway, you're disqualified because it's just showing off with your tomatoes. Coming in here, showing off your tomatoes. Look, this guy hasn't got any. What is that actually? Is that a bread or is that a tablecloth? Lice. Yes, that's a good suggestion. That could be lice. Whatever that was, I hope you didn't eat it. Moving on this, I've got these pictures the wrong way around, but so this, it just looks absolutely disgusting, but it's because it is. Man took one for the team here, I forget which ID, sorry. But he bought this. The Brugi Donor. And look at that thing. That looks a bit like, even on the outside of the packet it looks bad. Because it looks a bit like Bob's Cornish pasty kebab when he made that. It looks a bit like that. Why would you want that as the end result anyway? It looks bad on the packet. This was the inside. Wrongness on every level. Look at that thing. And I imagine it just goes in the microwave for a minute, yeah, something like that. Oh my days. And you put it in the microwave for exactly 1 minute, and it comes out like this. Ding! Hello, mate. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, you guys. So that's disqualified. Moving on, standard Starsky car kebab. Which, I mean, there's not much to say about it that hasn't been said before. So, we'll just graffiti it. Step in, Bob. There you go. And as you can see, now we're going to have to disqualify it because the vegetable is crying for some reason. It's a very, very sad vegetable there, while the other one is like angry crying, like, ha ha, so happy that I'd just done that. That's just, yeah, it's nearly as messy as my kebab this week, which was this fine specimen here. And what you'll find with this is you can actually see the character of the artist who took the photo, me. So you can see like the many colours there that symbolise, you know, creativity and all stuff like that. Chili sauce, that the red tinge that shows like a danger element to my personality. And as you can see underneath there's a tomato, which we had smuggled in from Sweden. Oh shit, look at this. I'm going to disqualify myself anyway. Because if I won, everyone would start saying it's a fix, and obviously this competition is taken very seriously. Look at this crap in a box as well. Look at that thing. Look at that. Right, and do you know what is even worse? I looked at that sign. Let me see if you can see this. Let me see if I can zoom this a minute. Let me zoom this. This box of absolute shit. Because I don't think you guys can see this. I gone. Right, here we go. We're going in. Right, look here. The top bit. Right, so you've got some onions there. I think you've got some tomatoes there, but look at the price. 50% off. It's $20. Wait a minute. Let's make that small again. Let's make that normal size-ish. Let's just wait a minute. Doing my professional bit here. Right, here we go. This is more of a view. Look at this. Right, so you've got, for $20, you've got some little tomatoes. What looks like loads of super thin pita breads there. Some really dodgy meat. Look at that stuff. And then it looks like a cucumber yogurt. That's yogurt, American people, not yogurt. Look at that cucumber yogurt next to them tomatoes. You're disqualified. Wow. I actually feel like, because I've been watching Thai MasterChef, I feel a bit like them now, you know, when they've been let down. Like they've been training people for weeks and weeks and it's come out of this absolute crap. You had $20 and you came home with that. You could get 4 of my kebabs that I showed for $20. You know that, I think. Probably, since the Brexit. Anyway, this, is this the winner? Yeah, finally, this is the winner because all the other ones were crap and I just run out of ones that could actually win. So, doesn't actually deserve it. Any other week, that would have just been an insignificant placing, because there is no last place. Everything is last place. You all come last every time with this, and it's your body that's paying for it. On that healthy note, big up all the vegans. If any vegans are listening and you're like, oh, I don't like listening to Kebab Shop Sound System because they glorify eating meat. Well, it's not very glorious, is it? Look at it. Look at it. Anyway, let's get on with the show. Stop that. Play this. Let's go. Listen now. Yeah. DJ Nutter. Let's give it the Donna Don. Let's seal it. Let's give it the seal of approval now. As the intro kicks in. Can't find the Donna Don. He'll just come up out of nowhere, don't worry. Oh, here he is. Here he is. It's official. We move on. Okay.